In this program, you've seen many important aspects of SCBA use and maintenance. You've seen how to don your SCBA using the over-the-head method, the coat method, and from a seat-mounted SCBA position. You have also seen how to don a facepiece, how to doff SCBA, how to inspect and care for this equipment, how to change cylinders and fill cylinders, and basic safety rules for using SCBA and emergency procedures in case of SCBA failure. Your breathing apparatus is designed to safely see you through hundreds of calls in all types of atmospheres. Make the most of this safety equipment by using and maintaining it in the best possible way. Remember, this is not just another piece of gear, it's a lifeline.